In this video, you will learn about update command. The update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. So the syntax for update is update table name set column equal to the value separated by commas and a fair condition. Now let's look into an example. We have a table called customers and we want to update one of the customers' age. So update customer set age equal to 25 where customer name equal to user 1. Now if we want to update multiple columns, in this case we want to update the age and the city. So update customer set age equal to 25, city equal to Bangalore where customer name equal to user 1. Be careful when updating records. If you omit the where clause, all records will be updated. Now let's log into our SQL Server. Now let's go to our database testdb and click on new query. Select star from customers. So now you can see that there is a user 1, user 2, user 3. Again we have user 1 and user 2. Now let's say we want to update the user 1 customer's age. So update customers set age. The user 1 age is 25. So from 25 we want to update it to 30 where customers name equal to user 1. Now let's execute it. Now you can see that for the user 1 it's updated the age to 30. Now the same it happened for the user 1 where it updated its age also 30. Now if you want to update a particular record, every record either it should have a unique ID where for that particular record you can update it. We will look into how we can create a unique ID for a table in our advanced table concepts. In this, or what you can do, you need to identify two identical values. Let's say in our table for this user 2 has user 2's country as India, city as Bangalore, but user age is 30. Now for the same user 2 record, it has user 2 India, Bangalore, but the age is 20. So here we have one different value for age. Now let's look into this example. Let's change it to user 1 to user 2 and age equal to 30. Now this 30 we want to change it to, let's say, 40. Now let's update it. Now you can see only for this record it got changed. So this age become 40 but this age it's still 20. So while doing any update statement, either you have to find an identical values so that you can update that particular record. While doing update, make sure you are not omitting the where clause. If you omit the where clause, it will update all the records in a table. Now let's remove the where clause and execute it. Now you can see that all the records it updated for the age.